got what we refer to as rednecks out there.
Tauranga is not just a place that struggled with racism, it's a really divided place.
I hope that other Pākehā see this and think, I want to give back something that I have taken.
This is part of our community centre end that we call the Manaaki Centre. During the first lockdown in 2020, I was sitting in my bed, just having a time of prayer and meditation, and I felt like I heard the words that we needed to give away this property. It's been used as a community centre, so counselling services, parenting programs, recovery programs. The big announcement for our church this week has been about us giving this property that's behind me back to the local iwi, but particularly the local hapu. Hey, this doesn't make sense for us financially as a church. This isn't wise in that sense, but we feel like we're getting to play a part in a story that we should be playing a part in.
He tino Paetera, kaupapa ki ahai. We hear the stories about our grandparents going to fight for that land and fight for our future. It's a really cool thing that we are allowed to witness the apologies and like the returning of our whenua. I think it's a really amazing thing that this church could do this for us, and they did it willingly and with an open heart, and we didn't have to fight them for it.
We're standing on whenua here that was originally Ngāi Tamarawāho's whenua, and it was given as an act of invitation to the Mission Society. Now, it was only a few decades later, and colonisation is in full force, and we get to the land wars, and sadly the church made a decision at that time, for whatever reason, that they would partner with the Crown. After the wars, the church actually gave away the land, but rather than giving it back to the mana whenua, they gave it to the Crown. So I guess I could place that sort of vision into a story and go, oh, there's an opportunity for us to play our part in making a wrong right. And it doesn't make it right, but it is a small expression from us as a church to go, we're sorry, we wish it could have been written another way, and let's be a part of writing it a different way in the future.
Nā reira, ko huria Ngāi Tamarawāho mana whenua o tēnei rohe o Tauranga. What a beautiful koha that Curate have afforded Ngāi Tamarawāho. But it goes back to our tipuna. We can't not mention them in this whole space. It was about their journey and how hard they fought for us as a people. And where you see us now is pretty much you can only walk down the road and you're in the water. So, you know, land is very sparse for our people.
Tauranga is not just a place that struggled with racism, it's a really divided place. And I think a lot of that division stems back to those stories of the land wars. I feel like Tauranga sometimes is like the city with no soul. And so I want to be a part of seeing the soul restored to the place.
Well, you know, we've got what we refer to as rednecks out there, and hopefully, you know, there's better understanding that starts to come across the moana because of what has happened.
I am very hopeful that other Pākehā can return back our land, or at least apologise for what they had done, especially in Tauranga Moana.
No, it's definitely not about Pākehā guilt. I don't think I feel that. I really just want to play my part in a story.
It's just the beginning. There are other grievances still to do with the whenua that we need to sort out.
It's the beginning of my own life in some ways, to be able to take back that land and to say this is mine and I'm from here. And I hope that other Pākehā and non-Pākehā see this and think, I want to do something for them too, and I want to give back something that I had taken, or my ancestors had taken.